Greetings from MagePeople team. Today we are going to learn how to add peak hour price in WordPress taxi cab booking plugin eCab. First of all, go to MagePeople website and purchase a taxi peak hour pricing add-on for eCab. Using this add-on, you can set up peak hour pricing based on date and time and day wise. After purchasing this add-on, you need to install it similar to other plugins. Now, let's move on to our settings. At first, we will set up date and time-wise peak hour pricing. For that, go to your transportation tab, then look for pricing tab, and just scroll down below. You have to enable the date and time-wise discount configuration. Now select your date range with start date and end date. Then select your start date and end time with the discount percentage for decrease and increase. So for this specific taxi cab car, it will increase and decrease based on the date range or time range. So let's check out. Select your pickup date, pickup time, then your pickup location and drop off location also, and also transfer time, and click search. Now based on our settings, you can see that the price has decreased. Why? Because we have configured that specific time range with a decreased amount. That's why when you search for the car, you can see the price is 50% decreased. Now let's try another time in this range if it's decreasing or not. Okay, as you can see, the price is still decreased. Okay, now let's try another different time. There is no change in the price because it is not in the range. Okay, now let's try another time. Okay, you can see the price has been doubled. Why? Because it's in the increasing range. So this is a peak hour time for increasing and decreasing for time and date range. Now we will check out the configuration for day wise peak hour settings. Okay, again go to your transportation tab. Now scroll down below. Now you need to enable day based discount settings. Okay, now we have to select some time for here. So active the Saturday and Sunday. So for Saturday, I have given 50% increase with the fixed amount, and for Sunday, I have given 100% decrease with the percentage amount. Now click update and let's check out in our front end. Select your pickup date, make sure it's in the peak hour range. Also your pickup time, your pickup location, your drop off location, and click search. Okay, as you can see, the price are same, but for that specific car we have chosen for the peak hour, the price has decreased. Why? Because it's in the time range of the decrease of 50% here. Okay, now it's working fine, right? Okay, now let's try another one. Okay, now give another time. You can now click search. Well, you can see the price is increased by 50% because it's in the time range of that peak hour. Great. Also in the date range, of course. Now let's try another one to check if our day for the peak hour is working or not. Okay, try a different date. Make sure that it's in the Saturday. Well, you can see the price is increased with the amount plus 50 as we have configured it with a fixed amount for 50, right? it's working fine, right? Okay, now let's try with the different date. Well, you can see the price is increased by 100% here. So in this way, you can configure easily a peak hour pricing for your taxi booking plugin. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like our video.